Hi everyone, I'm Brittany, your Stop and Shop dietitian, and I want to welcome you today to my kitchen. We're launching a new nutrition series today called Wellness Wednesdays. Each week, I'll be here to share a recipe with you that's quick, easy, affordable, and healthy. I hope that you're able to learn some new tips from my kitchen and take them straight to yours. You know how it goes. It gets to be around 3 o'clock in the afternoon and you really start losing steam. You might be reaching for a snack at that time to get you through the rest of the day. But if you don't have a power snack lined up, you'll likely reach for some less than ideal choices. The ideal power snack has a combination of carbohydrates, protein, and healthy fats. My Energy Bites recipe has all three, plus it only has 5 ingredients. Old-fashioned oats, trail mix, cinnamon, peanut butter, and honey. And you probably already have most of them in your pantry. So each of the ingredients that we're using today is a Stop and Shop brand. Those are my go-to because they're always affordable and high quality. And speaking of affordable, next week we're launching a free online nutrition series, and one of them is all about healthy eating on a budget. I'm going to take 1 1/4 cup of the old-fashioned oats, then I'm going to grab our trail mix here, and then lastly here I'm going to mix in cinnamon, which is one of my favorite spices. It adds a touch of sweetness without any added sugar. It's starting to smell really good in here. All right, so those are covered pretty well right there. So next I'm gonna mix in the wet ingredients. So first I'll take peanut butter here and I'll stir that a little bit and then add our honey. Okay, so I'm just gonna mix this really well so that everything gets coated with the honey and peanut butter. Now that everything's well mixed, I'm going to take this and pop it into my fridge for about 20 to 30 minutes. Okay, our mixture is ready to go. So what you wanna do is grab a tablespoon to help you scoop out each bite. You want about a fully packed tablespoon worth for each snack. Just get it right into your hand and pack it together. Don't roll it, that'll make it a lot messier than you'll really want. Our first one's ready. You should get about 20 bites per batch of these. All right, so there you have it. Our Energy Bites are ready to go. Check out our website. We have the link to this recipe on there, as well as our online class signups, and you can even find my contact information on there. I'm always happy to talk about nutrition. Hope to see you next Wednesday.